Good morning everyone. Today we're looking at a Rotary Swiss watch. It actually came as a recommendation from a subscriber. So we're going to have a look at this one today. We haven't looked at this one in relation to the Rotary Henley. I have done a video of that on my channel. Go and check that out if you get a chance. But for today's purposes, we're going to be looking at the Swiss Les Originale watch. Initial look at the box. We've just got sort of an army green, simple lift-off lid style box. Really not a lot to say. Sort of grey detailing going on inside. So here we go, guys. This is the Rotary Swiss Les Originale. I'm just going to refer to it as the Swiss from now on because my French pronunciation is dismal. So, watch retails at £150, has a 40mm case diameter, roughly a 12mm case thickness, and weighs around about 165 grams, so you get a decent amount of weight to the watch. Operates on a Swiss quartz movement, so it's got a decent movement in the back there. Let's come down to the actual face. So the face of the watch is a sort of a sunray black style dial with black sunray style sub-dials as well. A date dial at the 6 PM, fully luminous hands, fully luminous increments. And yeah, there's obviously a lot of stuff going on with this watch. Nice jet black tachymeter as well around the outside. Come down the side of the watch. The whole watch is housed in stainless steel casing. Let's have a look at the chronograph functions and how they operate. Got a nice bit of texture on those buttons there, as you can see. Get a nice feedback click when you push that button in place. And the actual seconds they count out, I quite like that for a watch. It counts it out, and it also counts out on the main seconds hand as well. Nice firm click when you want to pause the chronograph, and a nice wind back when you want to reset it. The actual real-time seconds is on this right-hand side sub-dial there. You can probably see it ticking along. This chronograph goes up to 30 minutes. Most watches, I think, are 60, but this one only does 30 minutes on that left-hand sub-dial there. Let's have a look at the crown quality. So there's no sort of crown protection around that crown at all. Second position. First position, sorry. Good amount of feedback on the actual crown. Nice date dial rotation. Second position. Second position is well defined. A good amount of feedback on the actual hand movement as well. It's a good amount of feedback there. Doesn't feel cheap. Doesn't feel really strong. But it doesn't feel cheap at all. So nice firm push down as well, and then we just screw that back in place, hopefully. So nice sort of jet black tachymeter as well, nice and reflective, goes really well with that face. So coming down to the strap. It's almost like a Jubilee style strap, if you like. It measures around about 20 millimeters in case diameter. So if you want to change that, you need a 20mm whip strap. The Jubilee strap is famous for having sort of two finishes on it. So you've got a polished finish on the inside, brush finish on the outside, usually adjustable by little tiny pins. And that's the same for this one as well. These are little tiny pins to adjust. You can probably see it already, but this is a double fold over style butterfly. Well, it's a double fold over, but it's a butterfly style clasp. Just deploys twice, and it reveals just like that. I think that's always a preferred strap and buckle style. You've got a nice firm click down as well on that link. Come around to the back of the watch. Got a nice rotary back plate there, screw down case back, fully Swiss made, as you can see. A few more sort of markings on the back there as well. Overall, it's quite a nice watch, really. So there we go, guys. That is the Rotary Swiss Les Originale.